But that is delicious right there. 안녕하세요. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're cooking 계란말이 or egg roll. This is actually a dish my wife cooks for me. I got a secret. I've never made it before. So I love coming home and she's made this beautiful egg dish, but today's the first day where I'm the one cooking it. So I got the secret recipe off her and I'm going to share it with you guys. Don't tell anyone else, okay? Let's begin. If you've heard some of my other videos, you might know that I'm not the biggest fan of eggs. However, cooked like this, I could eat eggs all day. It's the perfect recipe for someone that might not enjoy eggs or perhaps wants to get a little bit of extra protein, and meat's expensive these days, so sometimes using eggs, easy way of getting a little bit of extra energy and protein in your diet. So make sure you're using lots of eggs. We've got 5 eggs for this recipe, but you can use 6 or 7 if you really wanted to. And of course, you can always throw in some extra cheese, but I'm going for the diet version here. So no cheese for this one, but I might make a video later with an omelet with cheese in it. Slice up your chives, and then I'm putting in a little bit of red pepper soon. Make sure those are diced finely because it's an omelet. You want sort of smaller pieces of things in an omelet. And of course, you can even have it without. Most people actually cook the Gyeran-mari in Korea. They don't have any of these ingredients in it, and they'll just have straight egg. It's very soft and fluffy, but I love putting chives and a little bit of pepper in things like omelets and stuff like that, or quiches when I'm cooking them at home. So it just adds a bit extra flavor, and this is sort of my preferred way of having it. So just make sure they're cut finely like this. Mix everything up in a bowl, and you're basically ready to cook. That's the easy part. Now here's the hard part. As you know, as I said at the start, it's my first time doing this. So I've seen my wife do it, and I gotta say, it is way harder than it looks. She makes this look so easy. In fact, everyone online makes this look easy. But it was so tough. Every time I flipped this thing, I felt like it was about to break. But it was a lot of fun, honestly. So I got the first one. That one came out okay. And you sort of move it in the pan. You move it back, and then you fill it up again. And you roll it, right? But already I'm like, this is too thick. It's huge. It's already falling apart. So it's coming out of there. You can see part of it. That's okay though. We're rolling it, right? So just keep rolling it. I'm nervous every time I turn this thing that it's going to basically break and fall apart. Alright, I'm definitely going to have to get lessons from my wife on making this. I would recommend that when you're cooking it, cook it for a little bit less than I'm cooking it here. So make sure you're just giving it a flip before it turns too brown. But I was going for a better safe than sorry, because I figured that every time I try and flip this, it's going to fall apart. Alright, I'm nearly done. It's so heavy. There we go. Last flip. Oh, beautiful. Definitely doesn't look like it does online. But hey, this is my first time, and I had a lot of fun making this. Very stressful. Ooh, hey. I'm gonna burn it. I better turn this thing off. Now I actually fried up a bit of duck to put on top of it. Quick duck, slice it up, a little bit of soy sauce and some other ingredients on top, and that actually goes really well with this. You should probably slice up some duck and put it inside the omelet, but then you're just making an omelet. It's not really a Korean rolled omelet if you're doing that. So I figured I'd just go with a more traditional recipe. Alright, it looks good. Not bad for my first time making it, but let's improve this. First, let's put all the red pepper on. Yeah, get it all on there. Now, let's put the rest of that duck on. Yes. Oh. But that is delicious right there. That's how you eat it. Oh, jeez. Get back on there. It's so heavy. Alright. Oh, this is the best way to eat 5 eggs, okay? If you like Korean food, if you're just interested in watching me cook some different types of meals, then definitely hit that subscribe button and like the video. I post a new video every week, so keep an eye out. Yep. Keranmari this week. Who knows what we're cooking up in the weekend for the next week. So I'm gonna eat. You guys take a rest. Have a good day, and 안녕히 계세요. See you next time.